Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I finally finished the upper keyboard too. It was very long, but now we're there. Before starting this short update, I want to thank everyone is subscribing to the channel. And a special thanks to my patrons that are contributing to the success of this project. I'm not here to show you all the parts of the construction, as it is almost identical to the previous one. If everyone hasn't seen it, this is the link. But let's see the result. As always, all the parts are modular, for easy of maintenance and adjustments. In fact, the keyboard fits into place and is held in place with two pins. The couplings works well. Now you see the upper keys bouncing a lot at different heights, but that's because they are not yet suspended by the upper winchest mechanics. I'll give you an example of how the keys will be suspended by the brass eyelets. Furthermore, the upper keys are still very noisy, because the keys stopper with the felt has not yet been installed, which will be directly under the winchest. So far so good. See you next time with the construction of the upper winchest. Bye!